panahong ito, hindi maiiwasan at hindi maitatanggi halos lahat ng tao ay nagtataglay sa katawan ng mga kemikal at lason at dala ng polusyon, food additives, and preservatives.
Heavy metals and thousands of toxins are accumulated in the human body, producing excessive free radicals. Free radicals is a term often used to describe damaged cells that are disastrous to our health.
Ayon sa mga medical scientists, ang mga free radicals na ito ang umaatake at madalas maging sanhi ng mga sakit sa ating mga vital organs gaya ng atay, bato, puso, baga, bituka, at maging sa ating balat. Naku, sa mga nakaambang sakit na dala ng makabagong panahon at pamumuhay, paano pa kaya natin mapapangalagaan ang ating katawan?
Basic nutrition is still the most essential to combat any harmful substances we intake. There is a need to eat foods high in antioxidants.
Sounds very familiar. The word antioxidants are so common these days in advertisements of food, health, and beauty products. Pero ano nga ba itong antioxidant?
Antioxidants are responsible in neutralizing and limiting harmful free radicals. These are naturally found in fruits and vegetables.
Pero sa panahon ito, can everyone afford to regularly avail of these fruits and vegetables in daily diet?
Sometimes, busy kasi eh.
Fast food na lang, abala pa.
Di na kaya ng bulsa. Sa panahon ito, basta makakain at mabusog lang, okay na. Sa sobrang pagod, wala ng time para pumili pa ng kakainin.
Ay, nako, sobrang mahal ng mga prutas ngayon.
Prutas? Di ba may mga chemical na mga prutas ngayon, lalo na mga imported?
Antioxidant? Ano yun? Importante ba yun?
Importante ba yun?
Kung walang antioxidants ang katawan, lalong hindi ito mapapanginabangan. It is logical that the more people are busy, the more we work hard to survive, the more we have to have substantial amount of antioxidants.
Found in all types of cells, no other antioxidant is as important to our overall health as glutathione, the master of antioxidants.
We cannot literally live without glutathione. When glutathione levels are too low, then even the best vitamins, even the best medicine, are unable to do their job. We all have glutathione in our cells, which is mainly found in our liver. But as we age and as we get exposed to free radicals, our glutathione level diminishes. Not only people with ailments should take glutathione, lalo na yung mga taong nasa edad 40 and above na kinakailangan mag-take ng glutathione supplements. Those individuals who are smokers, alcohol drinkers, bodybuilders, cancer and AIDS patients, lalo na yung mga kagagaling lang sa chemotherapy, those who have liver problems should take glutathione supplements.
Now, you don't have to worry because there is Gluta-C. This wonder product provides the ample amount of glutathione when taken regularly. Maganda, talagang maganda sa tibay at lakas ng resistensya. Para sa lakas ng loob na tumatagal, Gluta-C ang kailangan. At alam niyo ba, ito ang pinakamaganda. Ang laking tulong pala ng glutathione sa mga lalaking may mababang sperm count. Masayang gising ni Mrs. Alam niyo bakit? Grabe, Gluta-C.
Hindi lang sa loob ng katawan ang epekto sa akin. Pati sa balat. Kuminis, pumuti, look.
Alam niyo ba kung bakit yung mga celebrities flawless? Glutathione. Always stay on the go and happy. Live healthy with Gluta-C.
The colon is the first stage to taste the threats of toxic load. So cleansing the colon is the first approach to a healthy body. Intestinal constipation o yung problema sa pagdumi increases the workload of other excretory organs like the kidney, the skin, especially the liver. So a clogged or baradong bituka, dirty colons means more harmful cells attacking the whole body.
Secure your colon from the attacks of free radicals with toxin-free.
Problema ko talaga dati ang tiyan at pagdumi. Gumastos na nga ako sa kung ano-anong pagpapacheck up at sari-saring gamot. Pero nung nasubukan ko ang toxin-free, tuloy ko na, effective eh.
Toxin-free takes away your colon's impurity because you cannot have a healthy outside without a healthy inside. You will be worry-free with toxin-free. Grapeseed oil contains a great amount of antioxidants. It has long been proven to contain antiviral and antibacterial properties. Grapeseed oil lowers the risk of obtaining prostate cancer for men and breast cancer for women. The antioxidants found in Life Flow are proven to eliminate stress, lower cholesterol levels, and regulate blood pressure.
Dati, madali ako mapagod. Dito sa office, wala pa tanghali. Para pagod na ako. Nang mag-take ako ng Life Flow, nawala stress ko.
Life Flow, the perfect supplement for radiant, glowing new you.
Dati hindi ko pinapansin ang produkto, pero nung mag-Life Flow ako, kumanda ang skin ko. Pumayat pa ako. In fairness, apat ng anak ko.
Go for it! You will never feel low because there is life glow.
Wow! Can you imagine? These lowly malunggay can be highly important in maintaining a healthy body.
These humble moringa leaves are in fact the powerhouse of nutritional value that detoxifies your blood and regulates its pressure. The power of moringa is now in powder, in a capsule, in a bottle of Angel's Tree. Angel's Tree provides a long-lasting energy boost when taken regularly.
Alam ko, ramdam ko eh. Lumakas talaga ang resistensya ko.
Be the best that you can be with the power of Angel's Tree. Adequate dietary intake of calcium and vitamin C is one of the factors in maintaining our body healthy. These two resistance boosters are combined into one capsule of Prime C.
Nothing is much more important than our health.
IMS introduces products of Nature's Wealth in its organic beverages. Perk up your day with a 7-in-1 mixture of coffee, creamer, silimarin, agaricus, grapeseed extract, and ginseng. Energize your mind and body with this wonder coffee. Be sure to take a cup after cup after cup of birthday hop. Loved by kids and enjoyed by adults, Sweet Tooth chocolate drink is a delicious combination of cocoa, creamer, sugar, chlorella growth factor that makes it different from other chocolate drink in the market. Fit and green tea is powered by a mixture of antioxidants such as green tea, vitamin C, Panax ginseng, and L-carnitine. Maintain your inner and outer body sharp and sexy with Fit and green tea. Find out how else IMS can benefit not only your inner health but outer beauty as well.
Perfect match for healthy dietary supplements, our certified organic beauty products. Maintain the firmness of youthful glow of your skin with glutathione bar. Aside from the main ingredients, this soap has a unique mixture of oatmeal for the control of oil, acne, blackheads, and pimples. Shine like a star with softer, whiter skin with glutathione bar. Nourish your skin with the tenderizing properties of papain and glycerin papaya soap. While it moisturizes, it also works to lighten blemishes such as freckles and pigmentation. Use it all over your body and have a consistent glow of a beautiful white skin. Exfoliate the dirt, impurities, and dead cells of your skin with collagen soap. This soap increases the elasticity and builds much-needed moisture to give healthy skin condition. Balance your skin's delicate chemistry with a unique blend of tomato and other organic botanicals in Silk Skin Soap. The soothing plant emollients gently remove impurities, tone the pores, and maintain the skin's radiance. Velvety skin, soft skin, white skin with silk skin. There to add new glow to your skin with Idare, the nourishing mixture of plants and herbs. Energize your complexion with improved circulation, clarity, and tone. If you're serious about skincare, use Idare. After bathing or washing, nourish your body with glutathione lotion. Whatever your skin type is, this ultra-rich, non-greasy topical antioxidant is specially formulated not only to smoothen and whiten, but to prevent dirt and pollution from ruining your delicate skin. Glutathione lotion for softness, whiteness.
The fragrances people fall in love with have connection to the scents of smell in nature. Do you want a body spray that smells like sunrise or like the beach? Some will want to smell of ocean too.
From the smell of herbs and flowers and fruits and the mountains and the seas, the irresistible scent of sainfood and its equally attractive price make it as good, and even better, as any high-end fragrance.
Both for men and women, you can choose from different scents that best reflect your personality.
Get a burst of energy from an infusion of sparkling citrus, flowers, herbs, and spices in Vibe, Insight, Indigo, and Envisage.
Explore the fragrance of nature in its essences and deliciously fruity, sexily spicy, and luxuriously sainthood fragrance. Be the woman you want to be, with sunny days, curvaceous meat, wallflower no more, and